Not bad. Hey, what are you, Hazel?
You getting sick?
A ladybug.
Oh, can I look at your ladybug shelf?
I want to hold that.
Well, you can hold it after, okay? Can you turn around so I can see your ladybug shelf? Whoa.
Nice shell.
Are you a ladybug?
Yeah.
What do ladybugs eat? Do they sit at the table and eat rice with the rest of the family, or do they eat something special for ladybugs?
Something special for ladybug.
Oh, neat.
Aphids, maybe?
Aphids,
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you eat aphids? Yummy.
A ladybug eats aphids.
Ladybugs are really great for the garden because they eat all the aphids. Take some of mine, some of yours, Clark.
Sure.
That one, give you a little roll.